for tonight's video, I'm going to do the granny square crochet. So first we're going to do our slip knot. And instead of doing a magic ring, I'm going to chain 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then we're going to find the first loop. We're going to put the end in, and we're going to do a slip stitch. So pull through and pull through, and with it being 6, you can see the middle. You're going to want that. But first we're going to chain 3. This will be the first double crochet, and then we're going to yarn over and put it through the middle. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to repeat that 2 more times. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Alright, so now we have the first side of our granny square. Now for the corner, we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to yarn over again. Same thing, find the middle, and double crochet 3. Now that we've done the 3, we're going to chain 2 again. So there's 1, and then 2, and then we're going to do 3 more double crochet for side 3. Alright, so now that we have side 3 done, we're going to chain 2 more. And then this time we're only going to double crochet 2. And I'll show you why in just a minute. So there's 2 double crochet, and now you're going to find the top loop of the first of the double crochet that you did, and you're going to do a slip stitch through it. And it doesn't have to be through the loops, it can just be in the gap. And then we're going to do 1, 2, chain 3, and then we're going to yarn over, and then we're going to put 3 double crochets in this first little space. So there's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. to yarn over, and then we're going to find this second big space where the first corner is. We're going to yarn over and just double crochet into that space. Don't worry about the gap because we need that gap. Alright, so there's one double crochet, then we're going to do 2 more. Now that you have 3 double crochet in this first space, we're going to do a chain 2 to make the next corner. And we're going to do 3 more double crochet into this same space here. Now that we have that side done, now we're going to yarn over and find this next big space over here. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And that's the same for the rest of the row, round, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so there's our 3 double crochet. Now we're going to do a chain 2 for the corner. And now we're going to do 3 more double crochets. Kind of starting to look like a square now. Alright, yarn over into the next space. Now that we have our 3, we're going to chain 2 for the corner and do 3 more into this space. Alright, now that we are at the last edge, we're only going to do 2. We're going to find this hole here. It looks a little bit different because it's a little bit smaller, but it'll come out. Then we're going to do 2 double crochets here. Because this first chain 3 is going to act as the 3rd double crochet. Now we're going to do a slip stitch through it. And there you have round 2. And now round 3. It's going to look the same with the 3, then the 2, and then 3, only there is going to be an extra step. So make sure your yarn is right. There we go. Alright, so we're going to chain 3 for that first double crochet. Then we're going to do 3 double crochets in here. Instead of going straight to the corner like we did with round 2, we're going to go to this middle space right here. There's one middle space in the second row, and there's going to be 2 middle spaces and then 3 middle spaces and so on and so forth with however many rounds you do. And then it's going to be 3 double crochets in each of those spaces. So now that we have our 3, we're going to go to the next hole, double crochet. And now this is the area where we add 2 more chain stitches for the corner. And then 3 more double crochets into the same hole. And then you find that middle hole again, 3 double crochets into that middle hole, and this pattern continues for the rest of the round. Last gap. And now with the last one on the round, we always crochet 2 double crochet, and this pattern is going to hold up for however many rows you want to do now. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then the slip stitch in the corner. And if you want this hole in the middle to be smaller, you can do less of a chain, like you can do 4 chain or 5 chain. I did 6 because 6 is easy to see the middle of and it's easier to teach. And it's always going to be a chain 3. And this is going to be what one side looks like, and then this is what the other side looks like. And you continue on that pattern for as many rounds as you want. So I count each of these as a round. So this is 1 round, this is 2 rounds, and this is 3 rounds. So yeah, that is my magic circle.